Have you ever met someone who repaired a stranger's motorcycle, refused to take any money, smiled, and simply said, "Ride safe"? Why would someone spend their own time, energy, and skills without expecting anything in return? It may look like a small act of kindness, but psychology says something much deeper is happening. Today, let's explore the fascinating psychology behind people who fix motorcycles for free just to help others. Imagine you're stranded on the side of the road because your motorcycle suddenly won't start. You're frustrated, worried, and unsure what to do next. Then a mechanic, or even a complete stranger, stops, repairs the problem, and refuses any payment. For many people, this seems unusual, but psychologists explain that helping others activates the brain's reward system. Genuine acts of kindness can trigger positive emotions, and many people experience what researchers call a helper's high, a warm and satisfying feeling that comes from helping someone else. This doesn't mean they help only for a reward. Instead, kindness itself brings them happiness. Another important reason is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand another person's struggles and emotions. Many people who repair motorcycles for free remember a time when they were stranded, had little money, or desperately needed someone's help. Instead of ignoring people facing the same situation, they choose to become the help they once wished they had. Their past experiences shape the compassionate decisions they make today. There is also the psychology of identity. Some people don't think of themselves as heroes. They simply believe they are the kind of person who helps others whenever they can. Over time, helping becomes part of their personality. To them, fixing a motorcycle isn't just repairing a machine. It's helping someone continue their journey, get home safely, or make it to work on time. Their skills become a way to improve another person's day. Psychological research also suggests that acts of generosity strengthen trust within communities. When people witness kindness, they become more likely to help others themselves. One good deed can inspire another, creating a chain reaction of generosity that spreads through neighborhoods, families, and entire communities. In this way, kindness becomes contagious. Motorcycle communities are especially known for this spirit of helping. Many riders believe that every biker is part of one big family. Today, you help someone whose motorcycle has broken down, and tomorrow another rider may help you when you're in trouble. This shared understanding creates strong bonds between people who may have never met before. People who repair motorcycles for free also understand that not every problem is about money. A simple repair can prevent someone from missing work, help a student reach school on time, or allow a parent to return home safely. Just a few minutes of effort can completely change someone's day and remove a great deal of stress from their life. Of course, not everyone who offers free help has the same motivation. Some genuinely enjoy solving mechanical problems, others love sharing their knowledge and experience, while some simply believe that kindness is a responsibility everyone should practice. Although their reasons may differ, the positive impact of their actions remains the same. Psychologists also believe that meaningful acts of helping increase a person's sense of purpose. When people realize that their skills have made someone else's life easier, they feel that their knowledge truly matters. Their abilities become more than just technical skills. They become a way to make a real difference in the lives of others. So the next time you see someone repairing a stranger's motorcycle without asking for payment, remember that you are witnessing much more than a simple repair. You are seeing empathy, generosity, trust, community, and one of the most powerful aspects,